This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bonnie Mayo. Capri III Villa, built by Divosta, is located in the master-planned community of the Lakes at Tradition. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a 2-car garage. This unit has an open floor plan for entertaining. Laminate and tile floors in the living areas. The villa has a huge oversized screened patio overlooking the preserve. Kitchen has newer appliances. Accordion shutters for hurricane protection. The clubhouse offers resort-style amenities and entertainment for the residents. This home is within walking distance to downtown Tradition. Come and enjoy the shops and restaurants and make the Lakes at Tradition your new home. POA fees include basic cable, high-speed internet, security alarm, land telephone, all lawn maintenance, exterior painting and 24-hour security. For more information, review the details below or contact Bonnie Mayo at 772-236-2446.